What's up, everybody? Today is an exciting day. I picked up a new motor last night and we went ahead and installed it. Now you've heard of a 1JZ. This right here is a 1RD. Let's go take a look. Brum, 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 brum. I didn't know what else to do. Alright, so today's plan is to clean up the engine bay. So we're going to take everything out, scuff up the engine bay, prime it and spray it. I'm going to be deleting the ABS because that doesn't work and you can't find a new one. Probably take out the charcoal canister and maybe put all the fuses and everything inside the fender. So let's get started. A hum in the background, I apologize. It's about 4,000 degrees here in Myrtle Beach, so I got my fan running. That thing beating you up over there?
Yeah, it is. You wanna take over?
You look like you're doing pretty good with it.
Okay, cool.
So Randall had a time getting this charcoal canister off. Do you have any pointers? Anything that you've learned?
Just leave it. Don't take it off. Just leave it there. It's not hurting anything. Or get a plasma cutter and cut it out. And I'm sure right now, stereo owner's like, I could do that in 15 minutes.
That belongs in a museum right there.
You can hollow that out and then drink beer from it.
That is a pretty...
It's a damn fine mug.
Yeah. It's my new beer bug.
You should keep that.
It's a relic. Alright, so when you want to delete your ABS, all you gotta do is, take all that junk out and then loop these two lines together. But I'm gonna, instead of looping them here, I'm gonna cut them closer down here and just loop them together down there and make it look a little cleaner. Other than the harness, all that's really left to take out are the brake lines that go to the calipers and the booster over there. And then after that's done, we can start cleaning it up
start spraying. Someone needs to donate you a painless wiring setup.
Huh?
Someone needs to donate you a painless wiring setup. We can get rid of all these relays and run all of them and hide them. So what have you decided with your car? I really don't know, man. And I hate to quit asking everyone's opinion because I know everyone's tired of hearing me ask it. What do you guys think? Well, what do you guys think? Should Randall swap the Supra or rebuild the 7M? I know what the answer is going to be. Jay-Z. I know everyone's going to say, just go 2J, just go 2J, or 1J. You can do 1RD. Sometimes the bottom end leaks. Put all my personal information out there, it's fine. Fine, don't worry about it. So if you did go 2J, you go an AT? I have to do an AT. There's no way I can afford to do it straight up 2J. They're still like 3 or 4 grand. Where I can get the GE out of the junkyard for like $200-300. Yeah. It's just good, right? I mean, it's the difference between them is in the head. The bottom ends are pretty much the same, except for the distance, even though they're lower the compression to the thicker head gasket. A factory head gasket. And then some say the GE head is better than the GE, and so forth. Back and forth. So they make stupid power. It's like little mobs. I'm going to pull it through. It's still 2 days into the day. Yeah. That is true. I'm not really a huge 1JZ fan, so I'm not even really looking at what would make the 1J better than the 2? Some people like the 1J. They're red happy motors. Are you red happy? I drive an automatic. Yeah. I'm not gonna swap it. The big turbos like automatic. So, and I want to kind of build something that's not. Now the rabbit hole that I keep going down that I can't help myself. The 1UZ is very, very intriguing. You know, mine keep the 7M. Just because I like to see what the motor can do that can't. You're a purist. That's why I'm keeping the G54. I'm not a purist. Plus, I've had more heartache than I've had love for the 7M. And see, that's what makes it fun. I mean, what, heartache? The challenge. You spend more time fixing it than you do driving it? Oh yeah, that's good. And I don't know if anyone told you or not, but Supras are expensive. Even Mark III. And they, parts for the 7M are getting very hard to find, and they're very expensive when they do.
wiring harness out and most of the brake lines out. Next, we're going to start working on the brake booster, and then we can start cleaning and painting.
And remember, if you like any of these shirts or hats, check out esi-rmotoring.com to pick up your own.
And as always, we thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you.